So I'm preparing my onion. So this I'm doing curry chicken.
Okay.
I'm preparing my onions as before, a little more than what I put on the fried chicken. My onions, my garlic, my Jamaican pepper, my thyme.
Thyme, yeah, that you have the thyme.
My secret ingredients to this is ginger.
Oh, you put ginger in it too?
Ginger in the curry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What we gonna do now, Creamy?
Fry some fish outside.
Oh, okay.
I don't want the house to smell of fish. So we just use a stove outside so they'll fry the fish.
Okay.
Yeah. When you fry it in the house, fish up the house, clothes and everything, closet. But I like fry it outside in the open. All the scent go in the sky.
Okay.
Yeah. So the fish and the chicken gonna fry outside here something.
Oh, the chicken and the fish?
Yes, because we don't want, the chicken, the fries and circulate in the house.
Mm-hmm.
Take a long time to go away. Yeah. I'll get the fish. It's not a whole heap of fish. Just cook. Yeah.
Let's see what the missus is doing in here.
Yeah, just getting my seasoning together.
Okay.
And we use more natural seasoning than the bottle seasoning.
Okay.
We use a lot of garlic, thyme, and onion.
Yeah, just bring out the flavor in there.
Yeah, it brings out the flavor more than the bottle seasoning.
Okay. Look at this marinating right here. Oh.
And that's my chicken to curry. I'm gonna put it up in a minute. I just prepared my seasoning before because I like to prepare my seasoning before.
Just adding a little breadcrumbs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So give it a little thickness.
Thick here. Fish out of the outside.
I'll be right back here to see what to do. Yeah, chopping up the...
Chopping up my chicken. Here in the fat in the meantime. And every meat that I'm cooking, I soak it in vinegar, lime juice.
Vinegar and lime juice.
Yeah.
That's the secret.
Yeah.
Always soak your chicken
when all
in
of that
vinegar and lime juice.
Especially the lime juice is soaking it to give it, with the seasoning, it gives it a nice flavor. We get off most skin and fat.
And the fat, yeah.
And a lot of times people cook chicken, they don't clean out this little part inside.
Yeah,
but it's very important. Well, to me.
Yeah, you gotta get out that stuff.
Gotta get this out. I don't know what this is. It could be anything, but I know it's not liver.
Yeah, it's not.
So you just have to get rid of it. So this is the back of the chicken. I have already cut off the breast part and chopped it up already. So now I'm just doing the back. And I have no special way to chop it.
Because you gotta just
Because when I'm currying it and all these little things, I get these little things out.
get them out.
Yeah. 'Cause you know these chickens.
And you have to have a sharp knife.
You have to have a very sharp knife. Very sharp knife, yeah. So now I'm getting my season in. And I normally like to put gloves on with the curry because
Yeah, it's gonna mess
curry
your hand
will
up.
spoil your fingers. Yeah, so now I'm getting them in. Nice and rich.
That's the curry chicken.
It tastes great, even though it's not cooked yet. So this one is ready for marinating.
Oh, it's
Save another hour or two. So I'm gonna cover it, and while it's been marinated also, then we're gonna clean up.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So everything's safe for about an hour.